Hello guys, Smilekar here. Welcome to Reset Hackers YouTube channel. So today we are going to do something. So we are going to understand this tool called INFOG, which is the information gathering tool by Linux Choice. So it will help you out in doing bug bounty or reconnaissance on privilege escalation and other things. So what are the feature of this tool? You can check it in here. I will provide the link in description of this video. So this tool will help us to check website info, phone info, IP tracker, valid email, check the site is up or down, which is similar to HTTP probe. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to clone this. Control C. So git clone and paste it here. So we can see ls this and cd space info ls. So here is the info.sh. We will give it permission for execution. So chmod plus x info.sh. So after this it color is changed because we gave it permission of execution permission. So sorry, we will run this info.sh. So we can see here there are many kind of tools like website information, phone information, check email, my info, check website is up or down, IP tracker, check DNS leak, internet speed test, find IPVN, Cloudflare. So this will be helpful in bug bounties and other things. What does the Cloudflare do? Cloudflare hide the website server's original IP address and forge it with the Cloudflare's IP address, so protecting against DOS and other kind of attacks. And find subdomains, it will be very helpful in bug bounties on VAPT. And port scan, which is a very useful tool. We are doing let's test this one, ping example.com. So this is the IP address. We are going to copy this one and let's do a port scan. Host, we are going to paste the example.com host. So what we have to do, we are going for this example, we are going to scan a single port which is open or not. So 1. So define the port number. I am defining 80. Port 80 is open or closed? Yes, it's open. So it will help out in bug bounties and reconnaissance. So reconnaissance is most helpful and most required step in bug infosec field. It will help you out in doing privilege escalation thing, for bug bounty, VAPT and etc. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will post this kind of videos continuously. Thank you so much. So if you like this video, please do subscribe our channel, and we are willing to post this kind of videos in future also.